Hi, my name is Dane Hiles and I'm a project engineer at Durack Civil. Durack Civil have been engaged by L&R to deliver civil infrastructure upgrades on Priestdale Road and construct a new 28-lot residential subdivision at Rochedale. The works include bulk earthworks, significant rock excavation, installation of new sewer, water and stormwater infrastructure, retaining wall construction, pavement works, asphalt surfacing and associated concrete works. To facilitate the widening of Priestdale Road, extensive utility relocations are being undertaken, including NBN, Telstra, Optus and Energex assets, as well as the relocation of existing overhead power lines. Delivered within a live urban environment and in close proximity to schools and residential areas, the project requires careful staging, traffic management and stakeholder coordination to manage complex surface interfaces, challenging ground conditions and maintain community access throughout construction, demonstrating Durack Civil's capability to successfully deliver complex urban infrastructure projects safely and efficiently.